The dog.
How do you like the butt?
She was making out with the dog's butt.
Oh yeah, let me tell you.
I mean the dog's mouth. Sorry.
How do you like the butt?
He's nervous. Have you seen his tail? He's like all in everything.
Let's see. Ready? Look at his tail go underneath.
Well, you made him nervous.
No, that's my dog. I'm sad now.
Wait, stop moving. I don't like her.
Yeah, he does.
She's, hard to describe. Just very hard to describe.
What do you say? Tell him all about how he has a Facebook.
My name's Simba. Wait. My name's Simba, and I kind of sort of have a Facebook. Yeah. Funny, right? Okay.
You're
well.
torturing that
But
dog.
no, he likes it. He's not moving. Look, he falls asleep in my arm. Oh, he's so cute. No.
I met the camera. Duh.
Hi. What are you doing?
Whoa.
Look, he's already fallen asleep. He likes me.
That's just because you're boring him.
I'm not boring you. No, see, he's fallen asleep.
Exactly, that's why. You bore him.
She does.
Yeah, right. That's why he was awake with me, but not with
Yeah,
you.
because you don't know how to hold him politely. I mean, correctly. Leave his foot alone.
Mine's so cute. Oh, wait.
You can take him now.
Oh, yes.
Let me see. Look at the camera. See? There. Okay, now say bye. Bye.